Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to my video. So before getting to the video, let's talk about something for the new people that has just came to my channel. So yes, as most of you have realized that my name is Daria and I'm studying in Yıldız Technical University in Istanbul, Turkey. And my department is communication design. Yes, maybe you're not actually familiar with the name of communication design, but there's this reason why I have this channel, and they're related. Why I'm studying in that department and why I have this channel. So let me just bring it up to you guys, and if you have any questions, you can ask me on the comments. So what do we do in my department is we're designing apps, we're designing anything that actually visual or sometimes even audios, videos, all those things. And what we do is we're designing apps, we're designing posters, we're programming, we're doing games, we're designing characters. Like, we have a lot of things we're doing. So what I'm mostly interested in is actually interaction design, which most of the places that we're having, that how I can learn how to actually do interaction design is by using this YouTube, Twitter, like like most used social media platforms, because they're actually very good at what they're doing. That's why they have this amount of users. And the way I can learn how to do such things, the best way I can learn, yes, of course, I'm using this social media platforms, but also not everyone is 20-year-old just be sitting in their computer all day. So there are also people who are just using this, for example, YouTube, just to actually watch things that they need. For example, not like me, not you binge watching. So when I binge watch, I like most of the things I do in YouTube, like they become like a reflection. That I don't even have to like think about what I'm doing in that moment. If I want to go there, I just, I don't even, it's like swimming, it's like riding a bike. To teach someone else, you actually have to do that thing and then think about those steps that you have taken so you can tell them how to do it. So the way it helps me when I am going to be designing my own app, so I will know what users are actually asking for, and I will have way more idea of what to do or what not to do thanks to you guys. You guys could be asking me questions and all that, so everything shapes better in my head. So right now what we're gonna do is, like, this was the main reason why I have this channel, and also actually I have two reasons, and the other reason is to show you guys how to use the social media platforms. Not everyone has to be very good with technology, but all of us needs to know a bit more than we actually know right now, because this is the time of technology. And where does it start from? Actually, from our phones from our to our houses, it's everywhere. So teaching you or showing you, helping you with some of the things that you're not able to do is making me happy, because it is useful for me and it is useful for you. I see what's missing down there, and you learn how to do it. So it's a win-win situation for all of us. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna learn how to change your YouTube account name in simple steps, as you just read it in the title, of course. So many of the social networks, including YouTube, allow the change of usernames, and perhaps you're tired of your current username and want to have a more enjoyable, fun username. Could be, or your username was a word created with your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend, and after leaving you no longer want to use it, which is pretty understandable. I have prepared this video just for you guys, this username change video for so for you who wants to change their username, so let's get to it. Maybe like, are you still using YouTube name that you chose back in high school? And that's decidedly embarrassing here in adulthood. Or maybe you have interest, change it. And now you know post and with different types of media that does not fit the feel of your current YouTube name. For example, my YouTube name would be Cooking with Daria, and then if I'm uploading this kind of videos, that wouldn't make sense, right? But it's no problem right now because changing your YouTube name and you just can get on your way. You can just change it and you get on your way. So YouTube actually makes it very easy to change your username, and the process takes very less than a minute. So just note that you can only change your YouTube name 3 times. That could be the bad side of it, but 3 times in a 90-day period. So be certain about the change before you go through it. So let's get to the steps. How to change our YouTube name. What we're gonna do, of course, the first thing you have to do is getting into your YouTube channel, logging in. And we're gonna go click on your account in this top circle right here, top right corner of the screen. It will be an image you chose or a circle with a letter in it, but since I have the picture image before I uploaded, I have the image. So we're clicking here. And now we're going down, and we have settings. We're gonna hit settings in this drop down menu. And as you can see, we have our name. It's about our channel status and features, create new channel, we will advanced settings, but we're gonna go with this. As you can see, it's written there, yeah, saying we're gonna click edit in Google besides your name. And right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace our name with a chosen new name, and then we're gonna click OK. But I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'm just showing you guys. Let's assume that I'm just changing, right? If when you change it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click save, okay? But I don't have the intentions to do so right now because it's my channel. And then you're gonna click save after you do it, because after you change your name, this becomes blue. And also from here, as you can see, as from this link, you can see who can see your name. By the way, anyone actually can see this information about me when they communicate with me or view my content that I created in Google services, and you can learn the reason. So you're just gonna click save and your name will be changed. But that's it. Yes, now you have a new YouTube username, but you cannot change it more than 3 times in 90 days. So make sure you decided very well what you're gonna do about it, why you did it, and the content you made is it fitting in or not. You have to think about those things, and now your new name will appear on your YouTube channel, any videos you post on the platform, or any comments you make on other people's videos. So that's pretty much it. It was easy, the steps were easy. If you found this video helpful, which I know you did, because what I mean by if you found it helpful is you didn't know how to use it, that you didn't know how to do it, so that's why you came to this video. And right now you know how to do it. That means this video has helped you. So if this video has helped you and you liked it, you can go and click thumbs up, give us those likes. And if you have any questions about this process, or about anything else that related to YouTube, related to Twitter, Instagram, like any type of social media platform or technology, you can ask me in the comments and I'll come down there. I'll be reading your questions and I will be answering your questions as much as I can. And if you guys have suggestions like, Daria, you should be making a video about this, you should be making a video about that, let me know on the comments. So I'm very open to suggestions since my channel is now very old. I'm new here. So please let me know in the comments if you have suggestions. And one more thing before I leave this video, before I leave you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't, maybe you're still not subscribed to my channel yet, but I'm pretty sure you are. But if you're not, maybe you forgot to do it, maybe you thought you did it or something, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna click on there. That's all. Yes, just gonna click on that red button, and that's all. So thanks for watching one more time. See you guys in the next video.